to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Emilie, and today we are going to do a Pier inspired the small range retail for $18.95 and the large one for So these are the Pier import ones right here, and this is the branches that I got. I got 3 branches of them. I did not know that they had the oversized, and I planned to buy a couple of these oversized ones as well. But as you can see, regular price is $18.95 and the sale price is $15.16. But I think for just the cost of the paint, and I love this because this is the colors that I'm going to do in my bedroom. But so for this DIY, you're going to need several things. You're going to need your branches. You can go outside and get any size branches that you would like. Just try to get them the same thickness as what the Pier ones are, and you get some smaller ones as well. You're also going to I'm sorry guys. You're going to also need some spray paint. You're going to need some Mod Podge. And guys, the Mod Podge spray is for it's going to give it an effect. You spray paint them. You're going to spray paint them, and then you're going to use the Mod Podge, and then you're going to use a high gloss sealer. And that's why I'm showing you all these different things. Okay guys, so don't do like I'm doing. I'm spray painting in the house, but I do have the windows open really well. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take your spray paint. I'm using gold. You can use silver. You can use whatever color spray paint you want. I'm just using the gold because that's what the Pier 1 imports are. And I'm spray painting each one of the branches. I'm going to paint it on both sides, on all sides. I'm going to make sure all sides are covered. Now, while the paint is still wet, I noticed something. I noticed that if I sprayed the Mod Podge on it and then sprayed another coat of the gold spray paint on it, that it looks exactly like the Pier import ones. The Pier import ones is a kind of like a rubbery texture because if you move them, you can bend them around a little bit. But just by spray painting the leaves, it will give you the effect. But if you want the real holy deal feel effect, then do that process. Spray it with the gold spray paint or whatever color spray paint you're going to use. Then go over it with some Mod Podge. Then go back and spray another coat of your spray paint, and then use a lacquer seal. So I'm showing you what 1 can of spray paint would do, and also I'm showing you the lacquers. Now guys, if you are not a part of the RYT family, please think about joining. You can do that by hitting that subscribe. here on Design on a Dollar. And like I said, guys, this is pretty much the whole process. You're going to spray it with the spray paint, then you're going to spray it with the lacquer or the Mod Podge. Then you're going to spray the spray paint on it again, and you're going to notice that you're going to get that rubbery look that the Pier import ones have as well. So that's our process, guys. So I'm going to let you finish looking at our process, and then I will come back again when we go to stage them. I'm going to also show you that you can use, if you want a little bit of sparkle, you could go to Walmart and you can get a a little thing of gold glitter paint. And the paint dries very sheer and clear. It's like glitter, like that. And you can just put that over your branches, and when your branches are finished and dry, they'll have a little bit of a sparkle or sheen to them when the light and stuff hit it. Now this is optional, you don't have to do it, but I just wanted to add a little bit more glam to mine. And guys, if you want your glitter to be a little bit thicker and more pronounced, then you can use some gold glitter and actually spray it on, and you can get a better coverage of your sparkle. Okay guys, and here you have it. You can see in this clip where it has that rubbery textured look, especially right there at the wide break. So yeah, I'm going to come back and show you how I stage these, and I want you to see that you cannot tell the difference between ours and the Pier import ones, but you do see that little bit of sparkle right here. You won't be able to distinguish it on the camera in the vase, but here she is, guys. The ones that we did, as well as the Pier import ones, are in this vase. The base is also a Pier import. Clearance one is normally $189, but I got it for like $40 because it was on clearance, and then an extra percentage off. And then those little gold, the little diamond pieces are in. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you a close-up view, and you can't tell which ones are ours, but I will tell you that big tall one in the back is. So guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. Tell me down in the comment section what you would do and what you like about them and what colors you would probably do yours in. So guys, I will see you in our next video.